The Volkswagen Touareg luxury crossover SUV produced by German automaker Volkswagen Group since 2002 at the Volkswagen Bratislava plant. The vehicle was named after the nomadic Touareg people, inhabitants of the Saharan interior in North Africa. As of its first generation, the Touareg was developed together with the Porsche Cayenne and the Audi Q7, and as of October 2020, the Touareg was developed together with the Audi Q8, the Bentley Bentayga and the Lamborghini Urus. The vehicles were developed as unibody SUVs with independent suspension. The initial generation, 2002 to 2010, offered 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12-cylinder engine choices. The Volkswagen Touareg, internally designated Type 7 liters, was developed as a joint venture project by Porsche and the Volkswagen Group, involving the Audi and Volkswagen brands. At the time of Type 7 liters development and for the first several years of production, Porsche was independently owned and not yet a part of the Volkswagen Group. The sports car market fluctuates and Porsche CEO Wendelin Wiedeking was looking to expand into new segments. This included marketing its first four-door vehicle. A team in Weissach, Germany, of over 300, led by Klaus Gerhard Wolpert, developed the Volkswagen Group PL71 platform. Now it is shared between the Touareg, the Audi Q7, and the Porsche Cayenne. However, there are styling, equipment, performance, and technical differences between them. The Touareg and Cayenne both seat 5, while the Q7's stretched wheelbase accommodates a third row for 7 passengers. The Volkswagen Touareg is built at the Volkswagen Bratislava plant in Bratislava, Slovakia, alongside the Audi Q7. The Cayenne is assembled by Porsche in Leipzig, Germany, at a facility built for Cayenne production. Due to the demand and the exchange rates of euros against the US dollar, as well as different pricing and environmental policies in the US, the V6 and V8 engine variants make up most of Volkswagen's American Touareg offering. Compared to other Volkswagen-branded vehicles sold in the US, which are aimed at the mass market, Touaregs came in more upscale trims and placed in competition with other luxury crossover SUVs.